Okay, we're going to do a cold start video of the Lexus LS 430. Go. VIN number matching. The timing belt odometer reading is all smudged out, unfortunately, but we do have record of it. So yeah, let's go ahead and start this car. Let's see if we can. All right, nice and cold, right on the block here. So let's get in and start it up. Okay. Screen. AC is already getting cold. See the temperature gauge over here. All right, let's get outside and listen to the engine. Nice and quiet, smooth, very smooth. Just what you want to see. Very typical. All right. So yeah, there's a cold start video of the Lexus LS 430. I'll get some other videos of the walk around and driving, so that way you guys have all the information.